pangit at ibigin mong tunay.
I mean ugly, so bad you can't look in her face.
At huwag ang lalaki na iyong pangarap.
Now the reason that I say this is simple and plain.
Pagkat magagandang lalaki ay naglalaro lang.
With your money and time, they're not with it. Cause if you ain't got no money, then you might as well.
Isang pangit na babae na mayroong pagtingin.
Like you can mess around and they'll still be there for you.
Pagkat ikaw talaga ang kanyang pag-aari.
So run out and find yourself an ugly chick.
At kung malingat ka man, huwag mag-alala. Sigurado ka naman walang makikipagkilala.
To us he's a bat and a Godzilla creature. But it's not how she looks, it's how the girl treats you.
Kaya para lumigaya ang iyong buhay, humanap ka ng pangit at ibigin mong tunay. Kung hindi, sige ka, puso mo'y mabibiyak.
But when an ugly girl leaves, she ain't nothing to lose.
Humanap ka ng pangit. Humanap ka ng pangit. Humanap ka ng pangit. Ibigin mong tunay. Sasabihin ko sa inyo kung anong nangyari.
When Cash hooked me up with this ugly girl,
Manliligaw daw niya ay talagang ang dami.
but I should've known with a name like Medusa.
At sa akin ay, matatawa ka talaga pagkat kahawig na kahawig niya si Soray.